All right. Welcome, students and parents, to what I'm sure is going to be an exciting and certainly unusual school year. My name is Chad Spurgeon, and I teach engineering classes here at the high school. I teach Project Lead the Way classes, Introduction to Engineering Design, and Civil Engineering Architecture. And I also teach Computer Aided Drafting, or CAD, which is a semester class. Both our PLTW and our CAD classes are going to engage in hands-on activities, projects, and problems that are reflective of real-world challenges. This compelling real-world approach empowers students to learn essential, in-demand skills that are validated by the world's leading companies, while also providing an invaluable connection between what the students are learning in the classroom today and how it applies to the paths that they might take in the future. Very excited about the year. We're certainly going to have to go out of our way to observe protocols involving the COVID-19 pandemic. Both students and staff, we're going to hold ourselves accountable to have a very safe and frankly enjoyable learning experience. I love what I teach. I think it has a great impact on our young people, and I really think that it's enjoyable for students who like the hands-on real-world approach. Thank you. Can't wait to see you